Have you ever wondered if Apple would actually make a truly affordable MacBook? One that does not break the bank, but still gives you that premium Apple feel? Well, welcome to Educational Hub. Today we are looking at the brand new MacBook Neo. It is causing a massive stir in the tech world. People are asking if this budget-friendly device is actually worth your hard-earned cash. Spoiler alert, it might just be the absolute best value laptop Apple has ever made. It is not meant to compete with the MacBook Air or the high-end MacBook Pro. Instead, Apple is targeting entry-level Windows laptops directly. They want to give students and everyday users a taste of the Mac experience. Today, we're going to break down exactly what makes this laptop so special. We will cover everything from the fun new design to the performance of the chip inside. Let's dive right into the 4 major reasons why the MacBook Neo is completely changing the laptop game. The absolute best part about the MacBook Neo right out of the gate is how incredibly fun and approachable it is. Apple has brought back a fantastic sense of personality with the availability of colors. You can get it in a classic, simple silver if you want to keep things traditional. But the real stars of the show are the vibrant new options. There's a gorgeous indigo color that seems to be the crowd favorite. There's also a beautiful blush color and a striking citrus option. These colors make the laptop feel personal and inviting. It is a brilliant move by Apple. Beyond the colors, the pricing is genuinely surprising. There are 2 main versions available. The 256GB model retails for around 39,990 pesos on the Apple Philippines website. The 512GB version costs about 46,990 pesos. To put that in perspective, you could buy 2 of these MacBook Neo laptops for the price of just one iPhone 17 Pro Max. That is an insane value. This pricing perfectly hits their target market. They want first-time Mac users, students, and everyday people who just need a reliable machine. The design of the laptop is also uniquely tailored to this audience. It is very light and easy to carry around school or to a coffee shop. It has a rounded, friendly design, but is actually quite angular on the edges. It is not razor-thin like the MacBook Air. Instead, it shares some of that chunky, angular look with the bigger MacBook Pros. Even with the budget price, Apple still managed to give it a full aluminum body. It feels incredibly premium in your hands. You are definitely not getting cheap plastic here. Now, you might be curious about the ports. Apple had to cut corners somewhere to reach this price. On the left side, you get a Type-C port that supports fast USB 3 speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. However, the port on the right side is limited to older USB 2 speeds. That means it only transfers data at 480 megabits per second. This limitation is likely due to the A18 Pro chip inside. If you plug a monitor into the slow port, you will even get a warning pop up on your screen. But do not worry too much. If you use the correct high-speed port, the MacBook Neo can happily run a 4K external display at a smooth 60 Hz. This brings us directly to the second big reason to consider this laptop, and that is the A18 Pro chip. This is the exact same family of chips used in the latest iPhones. Because this chip is so incredibly efficient, the MacBook Neo is completely fanless. It does not have any internal fans spinning up to cool it down. This means the laptop is dead silent, no matter what you're doing. You will never hear annoying fan noise while watching a movie or sitting in a quiet library. There's also no extra heat blasting out of cooling vents onto your lap. This is a huge advantage over budget Windows laptops, which often run hot and loud. Apple has truly mastered their silicon ecosystem. We now live in a world where iPads use Mac chips, and this Mac uses an iPhone chip. It is a brilliant strategy for efficiency and battery life. Many people are wondering how this A18 Pro chip compares to older Apple laptops, specifically the M1 models. The truth is, the single-core performance of the A18 Pro is actually better than both the older M1 and M2 chips. It is incredibly snappy for everyday tasks. If you just need a laptop for web browsing, word processing, making presentations, or media playback, this chip is more than capable. It can even handle basic photo editing and light video editing. Without breaking a sweat. However, you need to manage your expectations. If you're a professional video editor working with heavy 4K timelines, this is not the machine for you. If you're constantly bouncing between dozens of heavy applications, adding complex audio effects, color grading, and masking, you'll push this laptop too hard. For those intense tasks, you really need a machine with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. In that case, you should save up for a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro. But for the vast majority of regular users, the A18 Pro inside the Neo is basically magic. The third aspect of the MacBook Neo that deserves attention is the media experience, starting with the audio. I will be completely honest with you. The speakers on this laptop are not the absolute best Apple has ever made. They're certainly not as good as the incredible spatial audio speakers on the MacBook Pro. They might not even sound as full as the speakers on your iPhone 17 Pro. The Neo features a unique side-by-side speaker setup that outputs sound primarily from the left side. It is a bit unconventional for a Mac. However, for everyday listening, watching YouTube videos, or catching up on Netflix, they are completely fine. The volume gets reasonably loud. More importantly, when you compare the audio quality of the MacBook Neo to an entry-level Windows laptop at the same price point, the Neo absolutely destroys the competition. Apple always puts decent speakers in their devices, and this budget laptop is no exception. Alongside the speakers, the display on a MacBook Neo is genuinely enjoyable. Yes, it has noticeably thick bezels around the screen. If you're used to the edge-to-edge displays of premium laptops, those bezels might bother you at first. But for a first-time Mac user or a student, the actual screen quality more than makes up for the borders. It features a 13-inch IPS LED display. It is surprisingly crisp, boasting a 4K resolution at a 60 Hz refresh rate. For a budget laptop, the screen gets incredibly bright. Now, it is missing a few premium features. For example, it does not have Apple's True Tone technology, which automatically adjusts the color temperature based on your room lighting. If your career requires perfectly color-accurate professional work, you will want a higher-end display. But it does support automatic brightness adjustment, and right out of the box, the colors look fantastic. It is a beautiful screen for writing essays, scrolling the web, and consuming media. The fourth and final reason the MacBook Neo is such a game-changer is the battery life and the seamless macOS ecosystem. The battery life on this laptop is simply phenomenal because it uses that hyper-efficient A18 Pro chip. It sips power. Students can easily leave their chargers at home and easily get through a full day of classes and homework on a single charge. If you're already an iPhone user, transitioning to this laptop is going to be incredibly easy. The learning curve coming from Windows is very gentle. Everything just works smoothly. You get access to all the great Mac keyboard shortcuts, and the trackpad gestures are flawless. Being part of the Mac ecosystem brings massive benefits. If you own an iPhone and an Apple Watch, the integration feels like pure magic. All of your passwords seamlessly sync across all your devices using iCloud. You can use the new iPhone mirroring feature directly on a laptop. Perhaps the coolest trick involves the Apple Watch. Remember that only the more expensive 512GB version has a fingerprint Touch ID sensor. The cheaper 256GB student model does not have Touch ID. However, if you are wearing your Apple Watch, the MacBook Neo will sense that you are nearby. When you open the lid, it will automatically unlock the laptop for you. You do not even have to type your password. It is incredibly convenient. To top it all off, the camera on this laptop is a massive upgrade for the budget tier. It features a solid 1080p webcam. If you're a student taking online classes or doing remote work, you will look sharp and clear. You will no longer need to buy an external webcam just to get decent video quality. It easily beats the grainy cameras found on most cheap Windows machines. The only minor downside to the whole package is the lack of a backlit keyboard, which can be a tiny bit annoying if you like typing in the dark. But honestly, for this price, that is just nitpicking. In my honest opinion, the MacBook Neo is an absolute triumph for Apple. They finally created a machine that gives everyday users the premium build quality, the incredible battery life, and the buttery smooth software of a Mac, without forcing them to pay professional prices. It is the perfect laptop for students, casual users, and anyone looking to escape the clunky world of cheap Windows laptops. It has character, it has power where it counts, and it is a joy to use. If you want a reliable, fun, and capable daily driver, the MacBook Neo is worth every single penny. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest tech reviews. Thank you for watching Educational Hub, and we will see you in the next one.